I'm Natasha. Welcome to my home.
We designed this house about 10 years ago. It came to the market about 8 years ago. And it was very exciting and different project from what was happening on the market at those days. Everyone wanted standalone houses, so it was a brave attempt from the developer to go with a semi-detached concept, which left sufficient space for garden and outdoor space. Bought the open plan kitchen. At that time, it was not common on the market. Today, it's very common, but open plan designs are giving you much higher efficiency of the space because you are basically utilizing corridor spaces, or you are minimizing on corridors which are costing you the same amount of money as any other square meters, but are not used efficiently.
So I'd been told by a friend of mine about this development, and I came to have a look at it one Saturday afternoon with my son. And when we came in, we were literally impressed by the size of the garden, because that's what the focus was. And then when we went upstairs to look at the master bedroom and we walked into the master bathroom, my son just looked at me and said, "We have to get it." Quite a few things. In terms of design, obviously, haven't changed anything because it's quite well designed. As you may have, going through the house, you've seen there are no odd spaces or anything that looks weird. Like, why is this space here? What is it for? So in terms of, exactly, there's no wasted space. It's very efficiently designed.
At that point, market was overwhelmed with developments which were selling square meter, which were selling size. We were trying to sell lifestyle, and I think we achieved the target. We were bringing new elements like steam rooms, spas, jacuzzis as a standard equipment, which was not very common 10 years ago.